Hi students, this is Vijay Kumar. Welcome to SR Maths Tutorials. Today our topic name is coordinate geometry in the level of 10th standard. This concept is already you know very well students in the 9th standard level. Okay. For example, this concept is actually in the basic of 9th standard level. Some points is denoted on the plane, x coordinate and y coordinates, you know very well. How to find the distance between the given 2 points, like that one, midpoint of the given 2 points, and area of the triangle, slope of the triangle, slope of the straight line. These concepts will be coming in the session of 10th level. Okay, first of all I am going to the very most important formulas of this session. ओके चलो, आज के कॉन्सेप्ट कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री है. कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में बेसिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स, synapses or formulas. I explained first formulas. How many formulas are there? Minimum 4, maximum 7 or 8. Okay students? Yes. First of all, first formula number 1. What is the first formula? Given, what is given? Given any 2 points, students. Given any 2 points. Given any 2 points. Given any 2 points and find its distance. Find its distance. This is the first formula, student. The statement is given any 2 points given. Any 2 points is given. Any 2 points is given. And find its distance. Find its distance. That formula. You can take any 2 points, students. Capital A letter and capital B letter denoted here. A comma B are any 2 points on the plane. Points are represented x coordinate and y coordinate, you know very well. This is x comma y. This is also x comma y. Both are different points are there. So the points represented, like first point is x1 y1, the second point is x2 y2. Now join them. This is AB line segment. Now I want to distance of AB. Given information, 2 points, coordinate points are there. Find its distance. How much this distance? Distance of AB or AB line segment. How much? Given 2 points is there. That is very most important formula. AB distance can be written as AB line segment equal to formula under root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is very most important major formula of the coordinate geometry. Given 2 points, given any 2 points, find its distance. Those points represented like capital A, capital B. Find its distance formula. AB is equal to under root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. One more formula also is there. Same replace of x1 and x2 replace values. Then that formula is under root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Both are same formula, students. Both are same formulas. This solution will come same values. Okay. Don't worry about. First formula, tell me students. I explained here formulas of the coordinate geometry. That is, first formula, given any 2 points capital A, x1, y1, capital B, x2, y2, then it's a distance of AB points, AB line segment equal to formula under root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, or under root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I'm going to second formula. Listen carefully. Formula 2. Formula 2. What is that formula? Now once again, given information, I write here, given any 2 points, given any 2 points, one of the 2 points is, समझ आ रहा स्टूडेंट्स? वन ऑफ द 2 पॉइंट्स मीनिंग, और दिए गए 2 पॉइंट्स में वन ऑफ द पॉइंट अगर ए और अगर बी, ओके, पॉइंट्स इज, वन ऑफ द 2 पॉइंट्स इज ऑरिजिन वर्ड आपको मालूम ऑलरेडी. What is origin value students? Origin value 0, 0. Origin value 0, 0. Given any 2 points. First statement also, given any 2 points. And find its distance. But here statement, one more is there. One statement, another condition also is there. One of the 2 points is origin. For example, capital A point. I represent capital A point 0, 0 and capital B point x, y. X, y. Now these 2 points. I want to same concept again, distance. Then it's a distance. Then it's a distance. Then it's distance. Formula is AB distance, or AB upside line segment equal to formula under root over, you know your formula, given 2 points formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You can take this formula also. The replace of x1 y1 value 0, 0. The replace of x2 and y2 value is x, y. Now tell me the formula. Substitute the values. x2 x1 difference. x2 x1 difference. This is x2. This is x1 difference. This is x2 x1 difference. How much students? x2 replaces x minus x1 minus 0 whole square and plus. Now y2 minus y1. This is y2. This is y1. What is the value students? y2 replaces y minus y1 replaces 0 whole square. Now basic knowledge, 0 is subtracting from any number students. Tell me, 0 subtract करना किसी भी number पर भी. Answer is itself number. Example, 0 subtracting from 2. Answer is 2. 2 minus 0, answer 2. 0 subtracting from 3. 3. 0 subtracting from 4. 4. 0 subtracting from x. X. So similarly, 0 subtracting from y. Y. And your answer is under root sign as it is, square same as it is, but squaring terms are x and y. X square y square between the sign is plus. Very short formula is there. This formula is lengthy formula. Whenever it is used, difference is if you have any 2 points, some values are there like 7, 10, 100, 25 like that numbers, you can establish this formula. You use this formula. If in case one of the point is 0, 0 is there in the question, you directly this formula. Are understood, students? Once again repeated this concept, formula number 1 and formula number 2. Formula number 2 depending on formula number 1. It's clear? Yes. Given 2 points a x1 y1 b x2 y2, distance of AB is equal to formula under root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. One more formula, under root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It's clear. Second formula, given 2 points again, but one of the point is origin is there, then find its distance of any distance of the 2 points. Let one of the point origin here capital A 0, 0 and capital B point x, y say that here. Now immediately AB distance is substitute in this formula, you will get the answer is under root over x square plus y square, x square plus y square. It's clear? Now I am going to the third formula, student. Now third formula very important. Yes, that is section formula. Very important formula. Section formula. Formula 3. Formula 3. Formula number 3. That name is, students, section formula. What is section? Section formula. Section formula. What is the section formula? What is the given information? Listen carefully. Given information, if line segment AB, if a line segment AB, divides a point P, divides a point capital P, in the ratio m is to n, or m1 is to m2. Your textbook having the formula ratio is m1 is to m2 is there. So I am taking also that one. P divides in the ratio of m1 is to m2. Then find its point. Its point P, comma y is equal to that formula. Very important, students. Listen. I draw a picture. This is capital A. This is capital B, students. This is capital A. This is capital B. This point already mentioned last formula, that is first formula, A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Now our given information segment AB is there. So join them. That is segment AB. Okay, join them. Now 2 points, join them A comma B, will form here line segment AB. And one more story is there. That line segment divides a point P. One of the point here, that point here P x comma y, This point P divides a line segment in the ratio that is m1 and M2. What is M1? What is M2 here? Please, students. M1 is equal to AP distance and M2 is equal to PB distance from diagram. Are understood, students? From diagram, what is M1 and what is M2? M1 is distance between the AP points. M2 is the distance between the points PB. AP line segment length M1, PB line segment length M2. It's clear, students? But I want to point P. How to find point P? It's clear, students. This concept very easy and number of times repeated this type of the problems depending on this formula. Section formula. What says section formula? Section formula क्या बोल रहा है यहाँ पर? एक point remaining given information में DSO 2 points को divide करना और डिवाइड करने के बाद पॉइंट का वैल्यूज क्या क्या आएगा दैट फॉर्मूला विल राइट हियर लिसन केयरफुली given information 2 points A comma B and join them, that is line segment AB. One more point P will come and divides the line segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. M1 is equal here AP, M2 is equal here PB. What is the values of P of X comma Y values? That is the formula. Listen. Here P of X comma Y is equal to formula M1 X2 plus M2 X1 whole divides sum of the ratio terms M1 and M2, M1 plus M2. It is the X coordinate, X value of the point B. It's clear. Tell me same story, replace of X2 is Y2, X1 is Y1, M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divides with sum of the ratio terms again M1 and M2. This is Y term, this is X term, this is Y term of the point P. That point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio of M1 is to M2. This is the most important formula, students. Whenever you write this formula, very easy, students. Don't behind this formula. Once again, I write this formula. Listen carefully. P of X comma Y equal to. Whenever you write in the examination like this one, MX plus MX. What, students? MX plus MX by M plus M, comma, my My plus my My by M plus M. Whenever you write that formula, section formula, like this one. Where is the 1, 2, 1, 2, sir? That is very important. You write 1, 2, next write no 1, 2, 2, 1. Once again repeat 1, 2. Don't write 1, 2. You write 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. Again repeat 1, 2, 2, 1. Denominators as well as you write 1, 2, 1, 2. You write 1, 2, 2, 1 also. Don't worry about 1, 2, 2, 1 also is there. Because of commutative property, A plus B is equal to B plus A, M1 plus M2 is equal to M2 plus M1. Don't worry about, okay? You remember this formula. If in case you forgot, immediately, whenever section formula in the question paper, you write simply mx plus mx by m plus m, my plus my by m plus m, 1, 2 to 1, 1, 2 to 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, this is the section formula. Next, my formula number 4. Very easy, students. That formula 4 is dependent on formula 3. What that formula 3? Listen. Formula 4. Formula 4. That concept name is midpoint. Midpoint of given any 2 points. Given any 2 points. Sure. Information is clear. I am taking any 2 points. For example, capital A, capital B again. A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2 students. x2, y2. Capital A point x1, y1, capital B point x2, y2 denoted here. Capital A comma B points and join them. Now this is line segment AB. Some measure is there. Line segment having some measurable. Okay. Now formula number 4 statement is middle point or midpoint of given any 2 points. Those points are here. Establish capital A comma B. I am taking one of the point. This point. This point can be taken capital P. Capital P. I want to capital P value x comma y in this session. Sir, this concept is same as it is of the section formula. Yes or no? But here, the P point divides the line segment AB in the ratio of M1 is to M2 is not given, but already inside of that concept, students. How is it? The statement is clear, very simple is there, but where is it a section formula? Where is it the ratio? Very, very important. That concept name is here middle point or midpoint. Midpoint meaning here AP, BP lengths are equal to each other. Once again repeat, students. Here AP and PB, AP, PB both are equal. Why, sir? Why? Why to take two line segments are equal in this case? Already statement midpoint of line segment AB, midpoint of any given any 2 points. So A comma B any 2 points. P is midpoint. It's nothing but P distance from the A and P distance from the B, both are equal. Then that P is namely midpoint of the capital AB points or line segment AB. It's clear? So this AP value, this PB value, both are equal. Both are equal. So last previous concept, this is M1, this is M2, this is M1, this is M2. AP value M1, PB value M2, both are equal. Both are equal. So for example, M1 value 10, you write, this is also 10. For example, this is 110, this is also 110. For example, this is 1102, this is 1102. So both are equal is there. So I will cancel those terms. Again, your answer is 1 is equal to 1. Finally, what your answer? M1 value, M2 value, both are equal to 1, 1. 1 and 1. Now our section formula will be taken P of x comma y equal to, tell me the values. M1 value, M2 value, M1, M2, M1, M2, M1, M2 values 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. The replace of M1 and M2 are you write just 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Our formula like 1x2 plus 1x1, 1x2 plus 1x1 by 1 plus 1, comma. Next M1, M2, M1, M2 again 1, 1. 1y2 plus 1y1 by 1 plus 1. Now, one time of x2, one time of x1, x2 and x1, one time of y2, one time of y1, y2 and y1. So, I replace this concept x2 plus x1 by 1 plus 1, 2, y2 plus y1 by 1 plus 1, 2. Now, one more step, students. You know, commutative property a plus b is equal to b plus a, b plus a is equal to a plus b, x plus y is equal to y plus x, x1 plus x2 is equal to x2 plus x1, x2 plus x1 is equal to x1 plus x2. So the replace of x2 plus x1 here, x1 plus x2 by 2. Replace of y2 plus y1, commutative property, y1 plus y2. This formula is coming from the section formula, okay. This is the very important concept. Listen, students. Section formula you know very well. And one more point, one more concept, midpoint of the given 2 points or midpoint of the line segment AB. That is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. It's clear? Yes. Now, I'm going to one of the formula that is very important. That formula is also dependent on formula number 3. So, formula number 3 divides two concepts. So, one is midpoint and another is, now I explain that concept. Listen. The concept is formula number 3. What you find, students? What you find? Formula number 3, what you find? Given any 2 points and one more point P divides, but that not having the terms are there. That point P divides line segment AB in the ratio of M1 is to M2. So here given information, A point given, B point given, and M1 and M2 values given. Find your concept is x comma y, nothing but P coordinates you find. But our formula number 5 represent here. Given information, A comma B 2 points given. P point x comma y also given. P x comma y also given. Then find what is the values of M1 and M2. What is the ratio of M1 and M2? M1 is to M2 is equal to how much? Are understood, students? Formula number 3. Find the point P. Given information, capital A given, capital B given, and ratio M1 is to M2 also given. But formula number 5, capital A point given, capital B point given, capital P also given. Find its ratio. P point given, that point line segment AB, which ratio divides? That is, you want to that point, that concept. M1 is to M2 is equal how much? 2 is to 3, 3 is to 2. What the ratio? That point P divides AB line segment, which ratio? Whenever that concept, find its ratio, given information 2 points and one of the point divides the line segment AB, which ratio? Immediately you can take M1 is equal to lambda, M2 is equal to 1. Nothing but M1 is to M2 is equal to lambda plus lambda and 1. Or you can take K is to 1 also. Mu is to 1. That values are lambda, mu, K, what's that is one type of the variable in mathematical. Okay. Now I explain that formula. Very important. Listen, students. Formula number 5. Formula number 5. Very, very important, students. Very, very important. Formula number 5. Formula number 5. Given information. Given a pointer capital P x comma y is divides line segment AB, line segment AB, line segment AB. In which ratio? In which ratio? You know very well that ratio can be taken as m1 is to m2 in the previous concept. But my concept name is here. M1 can be written as lambda and M2 can be written as 1. You can take this replace is K is to 1. You can take this ratio mu is to 1. You can take any one. Okay. I'm taking just lambda and 1. Okay. Now, this is very important. Now I'm going to the formula. Listen students. P x comma y is equal to, your formula tell me, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now what is the capital A, capital B? Capital A x1 comma y1, capital B x2 comma y2. Those points I represent here. These 2 points, join them. This is capital A, this is capital B. Capital A, capital B. And one more point P also given here. P, that is P. This value is, both are denoted lambda is to 1. Lambda is to 1. Which letter is red mark? That is your finding concept. It's clear? Now I am going to P of x comma y equal to m1 and m2 replace. M1 value lambda, m2 value 1. Tell me, m1 value lambda, x2 you cannot replace. M2 value 1, sign is here plus 1 into x by lambda plus 1, comma. M1 and M2 values lambda 1, lambda y2 plus 1 into y1 by lambda plus 1. This is our formula, students. You write one more step. P of x comma y equal to lambda x2 plus, remove this one, x1, because one time of x1 value x1, lambda plus 1, lambda plus 1, comma. Now lambda x2, sorry, lambda y2, plus one time of y1 value y1 by lambda plus 1. Yes, students, I explained 5 formulas, students, up to. The first formula, distance between any 2 points, under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Second formula, distance between any 2 points, one of the point capital A 0 comma 0 origin will be taken. That formula is very short formula is there, under root of x square plus y square. And third formula is very, very important, section formula. What is the statement? A point capital P divides line segment AB in the ratio of m is to n, m1 is to m2. Then the formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. The fourth formula dependent on third formula. The third formula is, you know very well, section formula. What is the fourth formula? Same concept, but the P point divides the line segment AB in the ratio is not m1 is to m2, 1 is to 1, because of m1 and m2 both are equal. Why? The statement is given information P point is divides the line segment in the same equal ratio. Nothing but 2026. Both are cancelled. 1 is to 1 ratio. Whenever one point divides the line segment AB in the ratio, same ratio, that is the point is divides with the same ratio, nothing but equal ratio, equal distances. Nothing but statement is midpoint of the given 2 points. Which point is divided? That point is divided, the 2 points is equidistant. Equidistant meaning ratios are both are 1 and 1. 1 is to 1. It's clear? Then your formula is x1 plus x2 whole by 2, y1 plus y2 whole by 2. It's clear. Next to the fifth concept. Fifth concept also is coming from the third formula, section formula. What is third? What is fifth difference? First of all, what is the fifth formula? A point capital P divides the line segment AB in the ratio of nothing but in this case P point given, A comma B also given, and find its ratio. What is the ratio of a point P divides the line segment, like this statement in the question concept? So this formula, whenever question having find ratio, you can use the fifth formula. Find ratio, you can use fifth formula. Find point, that point divides the with given 2 points in the ratio of m1 is to m2. Ratio is given, you find P point. Point P is given, you find ratio. Already your problem having the find its ratio, immediately you can go to the fifth formula. What is that formula? P point divides the line segment AB in the ratio of lambda is to 1. Then immediately you can take P of x comma y is equal to lambda x2 plus x1 by lambda plus 1, lambda y2 plus y1 by lambda plus 1. That's it. You can take lambda replaces mu, k, m, anything. Okay, you can take any variable. This is the very most important formulas, and remaining some basic concepts like a slope, area of the triangle by using the 3 points, like that one. Okay, now I am going to some formulas dependent on the along with the formulas. Okay, चलो हम अब फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला प्रॉब्लम लेंगे एक्सरसाइज 7.1. this 7.1 concept actually CBSE syllabus, and 7.1 first question, find the distance between the following pairs of points. Pay nothing but you know very well, two terms, two concepts. On the first formula problem, 2 comma 3, 4 comma 1. 2 comma 3 is a 1 point, 4 comma 1 also 1 point. You represent A comma B, B comma C, C comma D, P comma Q. You can take anyone. Just listen carefully. The given information 2 comma 3 and one more point 4 comma 1. First of all, you will take capital A point and capital B point. It's clear, students? These 2 points represented x1, y1, x2, y2. 2 points are there. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Then AB distance. AB distance formula, you know, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root of difference of x terms, x2 minus x1, 4 and 2, 4 minus 2 whole square plus difference of y terms, y2 and y1, 1 and 3, 1 minus 3 whole square. Listen, students, difference is 2, 4 minus 2, 2 whole square. Difference is just 2 is wrong because of 3 having negative, 1 having positive. Two numbers are different signs, subtract. Immediately big number sign will be allotted the solution. Once again repeated. Two terms are having the same sign, sum. Different sign, subtract. Two terms having same signs, plus, minus, sum. Different signs. Plus is minus, is plus is there. Immediately subtract. How to subtract? The small number subtracting from the big number. Now here 3 having negative, 1 having positive. Both are different signs. So small number 1 subtracting from the big number 3. 1 is subtracting from the 3, answer is 2. And the 2 is the solution. The 2 solution is which sign will be taken, which number is big number, that number should be taken. So 3 is a big number, so I am taking minus. It's clear, students? Square of positive numbers, positive. Square of negative numbers, positive. It's clear? Tell me. Square of positive 2 value is 4. Square and negative minus 2 also is 4, not minus 4. Okay. Now our answer is 4 plus 4 can be written as 4 times of 2. It's clear? 4 plus 4. 4 is 2 times are there. 4 multiple with 2. Student, listen. Square root of 1, square root of 4, square root of 9, square root of 16, square root of 25, so and so. I'm taking some numbers inside of the root. I'm taking some of the numbers inside of the roots. Those numbers are specific numbers. Why to not take after 1 is 2, sir? Because of 2 is not a perfect square. What is perfect square? Perfect square meaning you know that 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 9, 4 ja 16. So 4, 9, 16 are coming from a number multiplied itself concept. Which numbers are perfect squares? Those numbers inside of the root immediately come outside only one time. Now listen. 4 can be written as root 4 can be written as 2. Root 2 can be written as cannot be changed. Are understood, students? The perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. Root 4 value is 2. Root 9 value is 3 3 ja. Only one time you write 3. 16 4 4 ja. 4 4 ja you write only one time. 25 here 25. I take this concept again, right? Yes, under root over 25 equal to 5. It's clear? It's clear, students? Yes. 2 is not come outside of the root because inside of the root value is perfect square. That number should be come outside. Those perfect squares you practice up to 30 square 900. Okay, 1 square is called 1, 2 square is called 4, up to 30 square is equal to 900. I remember that concept, listen carefully. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400. 21 square 441, 22 square 484, 23 square 529, 24 square 576, 25 square 625, 26 square 676, 27 square 729, 28 square 784, 29 square 841, 30 square 900. This is very most important concepts in 10th class level and up to intermediate level also. Okay, you remember that concepts. Okay, students, the final concept, our final concept is distance between the 2 points. Distance between the 2 points 2 3 and 4 1 is 2 times of root 2. Similarly, 2 points given, one more 2 points the second problem. I explain that concept also. Listen carefully. Yes, given information capital A, I am taking just P. This is P point, this is Q point. P point minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3 is a Q point. You represent these points x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Distance of now not AB, PQ. Same formula, letters are different. Okay, your formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The replace of x1 and x2 and x1, tell me here. x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, x2 is minus 1. Your formula having minus, x1 is again minus. Listen students, once again repeat. x2 value is minus 1, clear. Your formula having minus, this minus can be written as this. Now x1 value minus 5. That minus is right on the minus of minus plus. Value is 5. and whole square plus y2 value and y1 value, y2 minus y1. y2 value is 3 and your formula having negative, y1 value is positive is there, you write just a numeral. It's clear. Now our answer under root over 5 and 1 both are different signs are there. Whenever signs are different, students, signs are different, subtract. 1 is small, 5 is big. 1 subtracting from 5, answer is 4. That 4 solution having which sign is, students, which number is big, that number should be taken. 5 is big, so answer is plus 4. It's clear. Plus, one more time, subtracting or addition. First of all, you choose the signs of the numbers. 7 having negative, 3 having not having the sign is the answer. Which number not having sign, that is positive. Once again remember, which number not having sign, that is positive. Which number not having is the sign that you established positive. Okay, 3 not having sign, so you write plus. Now tell me, 7 having minus, 3 having plus. Plus, minus, minus, plus, different signs, subtract. How to subtract? Small number subtracting big number. 3 small, 7 is big. 3 subtracting from 7, answer is 4. That 4 having which sign, students? Which number is big, that number is be taken sign. 7 is big, 3 is small. You cannot take in small sign. You can take big number sign. So answer is 4, sign is big number sign minus, and power is your right axis. Is clear, students? Now equal to yes. Now listen, students. Square root of square of 4, square of minus 4, square of plus 4, 16, square of minus 4, 16. Okay, 16, 16. Sign is plus. Some students like plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus, okay, but you cannot multiply it in this case. Why, sir? Here plus, here minus, bracket is there. First of all, simplification. Whenever power is there, remove that power. Whenever power is there, that power will be removed. So first of all, remove that power. After you have negative is there, you multiply it. Now power is 2 is there, minus 4 whole square is plus 16. Inside of the plus, outside of the plus, plus of plus, again plus. It's clear? Yes, come to the point. How to write, students? Some students directly 32, but I am not writing 32. 16 is 2 times is there, 16 of 2. 16 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square. So how to write 16? Root 16 can be written as, tell me, students, root 16 can be written as 4. Root 16 is equal to 4. And you write root 2 as this. The distance between the given 2 points, second problem, minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3 is 4 times of root 2. I explained the third problem and you this today class. Okay. Yes. The third problem, not having the terms, not having the values, that values represented here, and English capital alphabets, small alphabets, a comma, b variables is there. How to find that one? Okay, no problem. First of all, the point a comma b and that point minus a comma minus b, minus a comma minus b. Let me take in capital L, capital M, students. L is equal to M is equal to, okay, or MN. I am taking points M comma N. M N. Distance between MN. Mn is equal to formula under root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2, x1, y2, y1? Replace of x1, y1 values a comma b. Replace of x2, y2 values are minus a, minus b. Now Replace of x2 and x1. x2 and x1 values. Tell me x2 and x1 values. Under root over. x2 value is minus a and x1 sign is minus. x1 value is a. Finally, whole square plus replace of y2 and y1 values are y2 is minus b, sign is here minus, y1 is plus, you write b just under root over. Are you understood, students? Yes, come to the point. Now tell me what is the answer? A having negative, another A having negative, both are same sign sum, same sign sum. So A one time, A one more time, answer is 2 times A. Big number sign, both are same values are there. You can take that sign is also. Some students taking minus into minus plus. Okay, it's clear. Minus into minus plus is there, but here where is the into? Your pronunciation minus into minus is equal to plus. I agree with us. But where is the into is there? Here minus a minus a. Where is the into? So listen carefully. Okay. Minus a minus 2 times of a plus minus b minus 2 times of b whole square. Square of a square. Square of 2, 4. Square of negative, positive. Once again a bit. Square of b square. Square of 2, 4. Square of negative, positive. Finally, your answer. The two terms having the 4 is common. 4 will be common. What is the remaining terms? 4 will be outside. Remaining answer is a square. Remaining answer second term is b square. 4 is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. A square and b square not outside of the root. So 4 can be written as 2. 4 can be written as 2. Some students, sir, this root having a is 2 times, b is also 2 times. You write ab. That is not showing because of the two terms. The two terms are there. Two terms. Add or subtracting is concept is there. You explained 2 terms. Only single term is there outside the concept. It's clear. Complete structure. For example, a plus b whole square. The square root of a plus b whole square is there. You immediately 2 and root get cancelled. But here under root over a square plus b square. Individual properties and 2 terms are there here. Whenever a plus b whole square is there, whole concept, that 2 and root get cancelled. It's clear? Yes. Now our answer is 2 times of under root of a square plus b square. Students, you observe this class up to 40 to 50 minutes time. If you have any doubts, please raise your doubt clarification in the message. Okay. Please like, share, subscribe our channel and daily and tomorrow and after tomorrow also classes on the same concept coordinate geometry, and you invite your friends also. Okay, we'll meet again tomorrow same session. Thank you very much.